Picked it.
Picked it.
Picked it.
Picked it.
Picked it.
Picked it. Yeah, picked it, mate. Hello and welcome to the channel. It's Picked It Mate, and today we've got a rather different, at least for me, video than I usually do. First and foremost, today marks the day that I finally got into this RKB 221 Yale. I've had it for about 6 months, courtesy of Nathan Griffiths, who sent it over to us. I thought I'd never get into it. Finally got into it today, so just wanted to get that on as a marked occasion kind of thing. I assumed that it was one of those fist bump the air kind of moments when I got that. So I'm kind of made up over that. Absolutely made up over that now. I've got 2 opens on it now, so the first one wasn't a fluke, as I always check. Okay, and to the next order of business, as you probably have seen by the title, we've got this absolute beast of a package. Absolute massive package. This is from Nathan Griffiths again. Kind of setting me up for all the belts here by the looks of it. He's coached me through all kinds of stuff. He's got me through loads of stuff. I'm going for purple and possibly brown as well on the LPU list. So thanks, Nathan. I've got it. So this is the first ever box opening that I've done on the channel. Hope you like it. If you don't, that's tough. Unlucky. I'm doing it anyway. And so let's see if we can get into this thing. Pull this in a bit. There we go. Nice. Let's see, we're going to cut here first. Something nick down there. It came in absolutely perfect condition. Absolutely fantastic. Looks like Royal Mail did well. Really nicely packaged. Spot on. Right, let's have a look. Let's get this packaging out of the way. Also, apologies if you hear any cars and stuff going past. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Right, okay, so need that again just to give it a little. Let's go along. I usually do my videos a little bit later than if I can. You don't hear all the traffic going past. If I go quiet for a second, it's just so that the mic doesn't pick it up as the car's going past. Compressor should hopefully do the rest then. Awesome. Looks like we're in. Nope, not quite. Spot on. There we go. Oh, really good. Yo. First order of business. What's this though? Nay, thank you very much. Beautiful. Freddo and some dark chocolate, yo. You spoiling me, mate? Absolutely spoiling me. Thank you. And I'll put these top here like so. All these goodies. I don't even know where to start. Oh my god. Right, okay. Oh, and another one. I missed that. How did I could smell it. My radar was going off. I could smell it. I knew it was there. Oh, awesome. Right, let's have a look. I don't even know where to start. There's so much stuff in here. This is just nuts. This is so crazy. Right, okay, let's get the big one out of the way first. Have a shufty around. So this is the A-bus that I'll be... It's the X Granite... A-bus X Granite X Plus. 54/160 HB disc detainer lock. Superb. Happy days. Let's pop that on here. Shove these over. Like so. Got the Matlock 2508. That's a chunky little beast. Looks like it takes possibly the American keys. Have a look. Got an AL here somewhere. Yes, I do. It takes an American key. Yeah, it does. I thought it took it. Yeah, so the key looks very much like the ones that you have in the pack lock. Sorry, federal lock rather. Yes, again, I've got here somewhere, but I don't think I've got the key on there. Been picking some Americans today, as well as that beautiful Yale. Oh, beautiful. Oh, it's chunky, isn't it? That's super nice. I enjoy doing that, and that's a 5 or a 6. I don't know if that's a cut. I think it is. That's like a high cut. It might be a 6-pinner. Awesome, thank you. Let's move this down. But what we'll do is we'll gradually move it down. As we move it down, move the box out of the way slightly. There we go. What's this? Oh, ho, ho, ho. I just buy a challenge lock. This one's called Bad Lock. We'll see what that's by in a moment. Bad Lock cool pins. Oh, that's a bold statement. We'll see if we get this open on challenge day, which will be one day this week. I'll do a live over on Twitch and I'll announce it in all the usual spaces. I was meant to do one today, but it completely slipped my mind. So apologies for that. It wasn't until too late. And we've got another one here. But, oh, this is Ash's. Hey, Ash, how you doing? Number 1 by Ashley Gav. Beautiful. Number 1. So this is your first one, yeah? Yo. That's sick, mate. Love it. Looking forward to that. I think I'll do this one first, actually. This will be... So the next stream is going to be number 1 by Ashley Gavin. That's what I'm going to do next. I won't do the one I was going to do. I'd like to do Ash's next. I think that might be for Bad Lock. Good pins? Was it good pins or pretty cool pin? Bad Lock cool pins. I think that might be for that one there, potentially. This looks like it goes with the A-bus. X Plus. Let's see. Oh, and a turner as well. Yeah. So I've seen Nate doing this lock, and he uses a sort of a turner to engage. I think you need to do something with the back end of it. I'm not sure. I need to rewatch it and sort of get reacquainted with. Oh, awesome! Look at that lovely little Medico cam lock. I don't know if you can quite see it there. Let's get it up there. Beautiful. Little stunner. Thank you, Nate, for that. Yeah, Nate's very kindly gifted this to me. Because I was talking about doing some Medico biaxial for part of the belt system. I've got a 6-pin Medico biaxial there, and he just hinted and just said, "I'm sending this your way. This is for you." So yeah, cheers, Nate. Much appreciated. Thank you so much, mate. And this, do you know what I want to do next? I'll do this one first. It's just staring at me. It's calling my name. Right, okay. A-bus 83 IC4. Where did you get this, Nate? Yo, Did you buy that from the States? Let's tell us in the comments. Oh, that's beautiful. What a beautiful lock. So this is a SFIC, a Mako SFIC inside of the ABUS 83 IC45. IC standing for interchangeable core. But yeah, it's got control keys and yeah, looks like control key and 2 operators by the looks of it. I think. Oh, that's beautiful. So nice. That's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna really enjoy picking that. Really enjoy picking that a lot. Cannot wait. That's fantastic. Nate's also very kindly lent me his disc picking tool. I've got the Sparrows one already, but you can, I don't know if you can see here, but it needed a little bit of, let's bring it up to the cam. There we are. In focus. Yes, we are. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see there, but the nose has a little bit more off the front there. I didn't want to wreck my front of mine, and I've not got any mild steel to cut away. Plus it has to be extruded as well, because I've not got a lathe to cut through the middle. So Nate's very kindly lent me his lovely custom one here. So thank you very much for that, matey. Thank you very much. This is just super cool. Absolutely super cool. Thanks for that, matey. And that's for the A-bus here. This detainer. Get into that. So it looks like the A-bus needs a fair amount of stuff happening. So it needs obviously picking, and on top of that, it needs some special doohickey magic to engage the disc system in some way. Fantastic. Let's pop that up here, I think. Pop them there. Oh, pop them there like that. Beautiful. I can see something now staring at me. Not quite yet. What's this? What is this now? What is this? You know what? I'm going to wait. I don't know what that is yet. But I do know what this is. This is definitely the absolute start of the show. When Nate said he had something, I absolutely bricked it and went mad. I was like, oh, I really like him. This one is the Primus SL. It was a 29 or 28 SL, is it? I forgot what it is now. It's so nice. Oh, look at that. So it's got like let's move this out of the way. I'm sure you've all seen them, but if you haven't, it's a gorgeous lock. There's the key. It's got these side pins there. That bitting as well. It's fairly aggressive, that bitting. Pretty aggressive, that bitting. I like it. There we are. See if we can get the side pins as well. That's nuts. This is just going to be, yeah, I'm going to spend so much time. I don't think I'm going to see daylight until I've gotten through this thing. It's beautiful. Thank you, Nate. Thanks for bothering us this. It's so nice. Let's sort that in there. I'll do that later. Such a beautiful lock. Nice. Oh, it snaps back as well. It's just sprung. Okay. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Let's pop that on the top there. Let's say slave on. Pop it there like so. Let's look at this. Pop the box out of the way for the moment. Sorry if this video is a little bit long. Certainly longer than the normal ones. There's little beast. Yes. Do you know what? For some reason, this is kind of the reason that you were sending something to me. That's because of this. Oh my god. Most of you will know this if you're following your hashtags and stuff. You'll probably know what this is. This one here is Brummie's Corbin. Brummie lockpicker. Sending it around the community, wants to get it to, I think he's at 50 locksporters. That's beautiful. Let's get a picture there. It's good for the thumbnail as well. I won't need a thumbnail, am I? Let's get it in focus again. Nice. Fantastic. Alright, so I'm going to be picking that. I'm not going to pick it now. There's not going to be any picking, I'm afraid. At the moment, it's going to be a long video as it is. But, oh. That's fantastic. We've got lots to get on with. It's going to be a stacked few weeks. Full of videos, full of content. All kinds going on. Let's pop the Corbin here. Pop these keys out in a sec. Go away. Yes, it will. That'll bug me. That. Look at that. Couple of ideas for the thumbnail. Fantastic. Nay, thank you very, very much. Weighed a ton, by the way, this did. Weighed an absolute ton. You weren't messing. Weighed a total ton. And even when the poster came, he said, "Oh, it's not as light as it looks." And yeah, you can see why with all this hardware in here. I think Fredo's put on a bit of corona weight as well, so he didn't help, did he?
What did he say?
Poor little Fredo. Corona weight. Right, happy days, guys. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for sometime this week when I'm going to be picking Ashley's challenge lock. I'll probably do 2 more. Yeah, I'll probably do 2 more challenge locks this week, and then we'll move from there. And then by the start of maybe next week, or to middle of next week, I'll do cool pins as well. I don't do too many at once, but obviously I'm aware that people do lots of things going on. So if I can sort of stagger the times, it's usually around 7 o'clock. I don't know whether, tell me in the comments, should I try picking Brummie's Corbin? Should I do a live on that, or should I do a video on that? Let me know in the comments. And that's all I've got for you for now. Have a good day, everybody. Thanks once again, Nay, for setting me up. Thanks again for the chocolates. Thanks again for everything, my mate. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye now.